Today, I'll show you 4 beginner-friendly robotic projects that you can build using Arduino and ESP32. Whether you're a student or a hobbyist, these are fun, educational, and highly practical. So let's jump right in. Our first project is an alarm system using a PIR motion sensor. This type of sensor is often used in home and office security systems. It detects infrared radiation, so basically movement from living things like humans or pets. When the sensor detects movement, it sends a high signal to the Arduino, and then the Arduino responds by turning on a buzzer and LED, which represent an alert system. In addition, you can easily upgrade this with a relay to control a siren or send a signal to a GCM module. The components you need to build this project are Arduino Uno or Nano, so choose which one you prefer more, a PIR motion sensor, buzzer, breadboard, and some wires. Next, we have an autonomous obstacle avoiding robot. It uses an ultrasonic sensor, the same kind of used in car parking systems, to detect the distance of obstacles. This sensor sends out an ultrasonic pulse and waits for the echo to return. Based on the time difference, we calculate the distance using this formula. And then, the Arduino checks if the path ahead is clear, and if not, the robot stops and turns until it finds an open direction. In more advanced versions, we can mount the sensor on a servo to scan in different directions before making a move. So the components you need for this project: Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a motor driver, 2 DC motors, wheels, battery, and optional for an expanded scan direction servo motor. RFID-based door lock. This project is a great introduction to contactless ID systems, like the ones used in hotels and smart offices. The RC522 RFID module reads the unique ID of a card or tag, and then the Arduino compares this ID with a list of authorized users. If the card is allowed, it activates a servo motor or solenoid lock to unlock the door. For this project, you need an Arduino Uno, a RC522 RFID module, servo motor or 12-volt solenoid lock if you're using for a real door, and LEDs for feedback. And our final and the best project, ESP32-based smart plant watering system. Our final project uses ESP32 and Blynk.io to automate plant watering. So basically, a soil moisture sensor checks how dry the soil is. And if it's too dry, the ESP32 activates a water pump via a relay or a transistor. What makes it special is the real-time control and monitoring using Blynk.io, so you can see soil moisture on your phone and even control the pump manually. The Blynk app sends and receives data through Wi-Fi. You'll need to connect your ESP32 to Wi-Fi and set up a Blynk template. So the hardware needed: ESP32 boards, soil moisture sensor, water pump along with the relay, tubing and water container, and you should install the Blynk app on your phone. So these are the projects that I recommend to beginners or freshman engineering students, guys. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you want full tutorials with code and circuit diagrams, check the links below and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.